Hi guys, Crystal here from Christico Design. I'm going to show you how to work out your sleeve in the round using the ribbing we just did, and now we're going to attach and we're going to work spider stitches evenly around our cuff and begin growing our sleeve. After 10 rounds we're going to increase, and then we're going to do 5 more and increase, and we'll just keep going like that pattern until we've got the final width of our sleeve. And then we'll just work up our length. The only thing we are doing a little bit different is that instead of just continuing in the round, when we get to the end of our round, we're going to join and then we're going to turn our work and work back like you do in rows, so that our stitch looks the same as it does for our body piece. Okay, so if you already have your ribbing crocheted, great. If not, you want to get that done and then come back to this. We've seamed it together and put our seam on the inside. And these are my tails here, so I'm going to start a little before my tails so I can work over them. Got a slip knot on my hook, and I'm going to crochet 17 spider stitches evenly around this cuff. Okay, and the spider stitch again is single crochet, chain 1, single crochet. So I'm just going to start right before my join, go in here and use my slip knot to form my first single crochet, chain 1, go back into that same spot, single crochet. So I have my first spider stitch made. Now when I'm first starting up spider stitches, the next thing I do is skip a chain or a stitch. So I'm going to skip over here, and let me bring those tails around so I can go over them. Just going to go in the next spot here and do my single crochet, chain 1, single crochet. Alright, so you might have to do some adjusting when you do add stitches evenly on. Sometimes you get towards the end and you have to undo and redo. So I'm going to go into this next one here. When I get to my halfway point when I'm doing it this way, that's when I kind of stop and count, make sure I have close to half. So this is my third spider stitch. I just keep going around. Remember to put single crochet, chain 1, single crochet all in one spot or space. Okay, and it's okay if it starts curving out. That just means we're increasing, right? Which is what we want. We need our sleeve cuff to be fitted and the rest of our sleeve to have some ease in it. So I'm going to keep going around, and when I get back, I'll show you back to the beginning all the way around. I will show you how to join and turn.